Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are talking about the best Tecumseh gas tank on the market. The 36,863 fuel gas tank with cap, designed for a variety of Tecumseh engines. If you've been struggling with a cracked or leaking fuel tank, this is the solution you've been looking for. It's compatible with numerous Tecumseh engine models, including the OH195EA, OH195EP, OHH45, OHH50, and many more. This replacement tank is engineered to fit perfectly, ensuring hassle-free installation and a smooth operation once it's installed. One of the standout features of this fuel tank is its durability. Made from high-quality polyethylene, it offers excellent resistance to vibrations and the various fuel types it comes into contact with. This means you won't have to worry about frequent maintenance or tank deterioration, even with regular use. The 36,863 fuel tank is built to last and is a significant upgrade over older models, addressing design flaws that were common in the past. Not only does this fuel tank perform excellently, but it also enhances safety by reducing the risk of leaks and spills. If you've experienced leaks in the past, you'll appreciate how this model is constructed with leak protection in mind, giving you peace of mind during operation. Whether you're using it for lawn mowers, tractors, or other lawn equipment, this tank ensures your equipment runs efficiently and safely. And if you're concerned about compatibility, don't be. This fuel tank replaces the 36,863 and 36,752 models and fits a wide range of Tecumseh engines. It's an ideal replacement for those looking to restore their equipment to full functionality. With a 12-month warranty, ATRACYPART also ensures that you can have any issues addressed quickly, offering a replacement or refund if necessary. So if you're in the market for a reliable, long-lasting fuel tank for your Tecumseh engine, the 36,863 fuel gas tank with cap is the best choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and make sure to check out more product reviews on our channel.